The father of Hazrat Salim bin Abdullah told him that he had heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "Your age as compared to that of the previous ummah is like the time between the Asr prayer and the sunset." The people of the Torah, Old Testament, were given the Torah and they performed the work for a half day and got tired, and they were given 1 carat each. Then the people of the Injil, Gospel, were given the Injil and they performed the work till the Asr prayer and got exhausted, and they were also given 1 carat each. Afterwards, we were given the Holy Quran and we performed the work till sunset, and we were blessed with 2 carats each. The people of both books said, "O our Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, you have blessed them with 2 carats and gave us only 1 carat, whereas we have worked more than they have performed." Allah Almighty said, "Have I given you less wages than you deserve?" They said, "No." He Jalla Jalaluhu said, "This is my blessing. I may give it to someone as much as I please." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 557.